Welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to delete your Lyft account. Alright, so we are deleting our Lyft account. So the first thing you need to do is check that your ride and payment history is complete. Make sure that there's any outstanding charges that are settled, and download any receipts for tax or expense records before you proceed through this. If you're enrolled in Lyft Pink or any other subscription service, cancel it first to avoid being charged after your account is deleted. You will need to cancel your subscription. Then delete all of your saved payment methods from your account for added level of security, and this will just prevent any future unauthorized transactions. Request and download your complete Lyft data. This will include your ride history and your receipts, and once it's deleted, this information is permanently unrecoverable. So the step-by-step movement here is: open up and sign in. Launch the Lyft mobile app and sign into your account. Tap on the U icon that's located on the bottom right side of the screen. Go and scroll down to the account section and tap on help. From here, you will see profile and account, and then edit profile or account. Now go and tap on delete my account and just read through the warnings so that you know what you're actually doing. From here, you need to just confirm and complete the process. So follow the on-screen prompts to confirm, and then you'll receive a processing confirmation.